morning.
Good morning.
Day 4? Day 4 of the cruise. Day 5 of the whole holiday, but day 4 of the cruise. We are at our first port of call. I think it's called Road Town in Tortola, British Virgin Isle. He's singing Tallulah. And this is where we are. Really close. There's already people getting off the ship. And it's only 7:45 in the morning. There was a massive group here not that long ago. We're going to go grab some breakfast. And then we'll get off the ship for a bit. We'll have a walk round where we can walk round. And, you know, where it's safe to. We haven't booked an excursion. All those people getting off had. That's why they're getting off early. But yeah, we'll just have a little look around and then come back. Then we've got some other things we want to do on the ship today. Might even do a fun thing of laundry. Woo! How have I gone most of this holiday without Mickey waffles? I mean, I had a bite of Chris's, but I got 2.
You got a bad eye like me.
Chris got a bad eye. Mickey's got a bad eye.
Stepped foot in a different place. Tick off the list. Right, back on the ship. And line up for a picture. No, 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 no!
This is the beautiful Disney treasure.
It's actually the first time we're getting to see it from outside properly. Last time didn't let us do it.
I don't think there's a little petite train here.
No. It's stinky. It's stinky. Oh, they put rat things right at the top. They let the rats get all the way.
All the way before they let them get off.
I think that's better. I'd do that. Equally cut his feet up, so maybe I should.
James walking around the port area. Off the ship, turn left. There's a gate. Or do what I did and walk forward and explore the port area, but the shops aren't open.
Looked at some of the port area. Nothing's happening.
Nothing's there.
So we're going to go wander down that way. Yeah, this looks a bit more life.
Found the police station and found the courthouse, so close to each other.
And a hospital.
And the hospital, all the public services. I think we might walk back towards the ship.
Yeah,
Seems
maybe.
to be too much here.
Look like people. Their legs.
The world's safest bridge across the world's horriblest looking water.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to fall in.
No. Who?
I haven't got the rules.
Well, we say we've stepped off the ship and we've stepped into
Road Town.
Road Town.
Road Town Tortola. I like, this is the pirate island, right? You have to get
Drive.
excursions everywhere. And we don't want to do that.
We're not doing that. We're locked in, out now. The gate's shut that we came through. Oh no, it's out. It's open. Phew. It was
so
just a
confusing.
mirage. It was a mirage.
It very much looks shut.
It is very warm out here.
For
It's
not
29.
even 9 o'clock.
29 degrees at 9 o'clock. So basically a bit like the temperature back home right now, actually.
Yeah.
So I think all these people are queuing for the bus tours.
Probably.
Over
They
here.
want to go to the beach.
They want to go sit on the beach.
I get it.
They want to go from sitting in that sun lounger to sitting on a beach lounger.
If that's what you want to do,
You do it.
go for it. Not for us. We're going back on the boat. It's too hot. There's not much for us to do here without an excursion. Yeah, we're going to go back on. Well, we have food and drink aplenty and aircon because I need aircon. Isn't it a beautiful ship? They're doing some maintenance, which they always do when it's in port. We're going to walk to the furthest gangway. Just we've done a few more steps, but I mean we've already done 4,500 and it's 9:15. I don't know how. There's Christopher. Yeah, we just quickly sat in there because there was some free Wi-Fi, so just caught up on some socials. Disney treasure. That's our room there. You can't see now, it's gone blurry, but the second one, 1 and 2. Yeah, you hose that down. It's probably massive. Shame we can't walk down to the end so we can see the
Castaway.
thing. Castaway Keep will see it. Maybe tomorrow, who knows?
Maybe try and get back soon. Oh, it's raining.
It's raining. Wow, that's a good sign for us to get back on board, I think. Bony fish, less bony fish, capers. I don't really get a taste of that. What is this? Just had the longest nap ever. But hey, we're on holiday, and it's the first nap of the holiday, so I think it's very acceptable. We're going to go for a little swim now and try the AquaMouse coaster. Yeah, we say swim. They're not big enough for a swim. Sit in the pool. There's an infinity pool at the back in the adults only area. And try the aqua coaster. Can't take this. Well, I mean, you can, but don't want to get it ruined. So I'm just going to take my phone, so anything you see now might be a bit shaky. Sorry. First up, we are going to go on the AquaMouse slide. Sorry, it's a bit bumpy, as I say. Just had a little bite to eat. There's some, I don't know, Tinkerbell movie, something like that, playing in the background. Very loud. Gotta follow the footprints. 20-minute wait. Mickey and Minnie, the Curse of the Golden Egg. AquaMouse. Can't film. Did it. It broke down a bit. Well, no, I think people got stuck here at the bits, so I had to evacuate them. But it didn't take too long. It was fun, really wet. So now we're going to go to the infinity pool. Woo. We sat in the infinity pool. It was fun. Wasn't it fun?
Yes, it was fun.
Yes. Although we've got out because these clouds look ominous and they're kind of starting to surround the ship. So we're gonna go drive, get some ice cream. Just had a cheeky ice cream and now we're watching a bit of Muppets Treasure Island on the big funnel. We tried to watch our room the other night, got about 2 minutes in. So, trying again. Well, we watched the film for a bit. We are now going to have a little session in the gym to work off the several lunches we've had today. Chris just remembered to drop his wedding ring back in the room because he nearly lost it the last time, didn't you, Christopher? Okay, we did a little walkie run thing. But yeah, we thought we'd come out here. This was the other side of the ship that we've not seen. It's very pretty. There's just not much to do in this local bit.
Not that we found.
Not that we found. Might
we
be.
didn't explore.
We didn't go too far. We're gonna go get ready to be pirates for pirate night. Yar. Yar. Ready for pirate night. Well, Chris is trying to work out string.
Tiff, I need you.
Tiff, we need you. We've just left dock, or we're leaving dock. Chris came out here and all of the team are on the bridge. The captain's there getting us away. Doing a sterling job. There we are. Keeping a watchful eye. Speaking of eye, don't know how long this will last, because I cannot tell any depth. But when we have photos and that, I'll wear it.
Just Pirate James chilling out on his balcony,
I
watching the sunset.
have my one good eye.
We're back in our favourite bar, dressed as pirates. James is going for this one. I'm going for this one. How James creates videos.
Softly and slowly. No fun lights for us today, but
Tortola.
tepid. Oh, I like this drink. It's like soury and it's got apple and black cherry. A proper drink. The one I had yesterday was cute, but it was more like a milkshake with some alcohol. How's yours, Christopher? You've got a beer, right?
Mine tastes like a fruity beer.
Fruity beer.
You're dead fish. Ghost fish.
This one can hardly contain himself.
Hello, James.
Hello, Christopher.
You having fun on your pirate night?
Yes.
How's the ventriloquist?
Yeah, it was great. I didn't see any of it.
Why not?
Christopher was too busy lacing up his costume.
Sorry, I really wanted to go.
Sure.
Then we get to go to the pirate thing on the deck 11.
Yeah.
On deck 11. The first of 2 pirate evenings. And then hopefully fireworks, weather permitting. James is making me do more pictures. Another picture time. I'm ready. We're watching a show about treasure. Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh, it feels mighty good to once again be unfurled and flying high over pirate waters.
Now look lively here, you scallywag. For it's time to rattle a ringing. Raise your voices for the leaders of our pirate crew. Let's hear it for Captains Minnie and Matey.
It's a pirate's life for me!
Ahoy, mateys!
When the sun is shining, the rock is all around. Away, 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 forget the life we love.
Well done. Here be lesson number 1.
Lesson number 1.
If ever a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, loud and proud, say aye, Captain, try it. Aye, Captain. We love the way it feels, and we love to shake our building. Oh no, he's right, Goofy. But is that who I think it is?
Yes, it is I, the new caretaker and overseer of this fine vessel. Simply put, this ship is mine! Impossible! Lucky guess!
Well, crew, that was a great first adventure. I can't wait for our next one.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you on our next adventure.
A new lanyard. I'm reversible. Ooh. We got an ignorable one.
And skip.
In combination. A cruise hat.
It's time for dinner. Because we're doing rotational dining, which we've not really spoken about, we are in Coco again tonight. Don't think there's a show, but it's very pirate themed food. So we're gonna head there now and we'll show you it. Yeah, lots of fish. It's not great for Chris. But, hey, he'll have to get over it.
That's our number. That's the shot. The guitar's missing. Yeah. Welcome to Pirate Night at Coco. We're in the same scene, but we don't know there's a show. And there's the stage. There's a bar.
A piratey roll.
What's happening?
We're gonna go for the crab cake.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's not spicy. I think a bread course is my downfall. I think this is why I can't run my 5k anymore. It's the amount of bread I keep eating. It tastes so good.
Appetizer time.
I got a samosa.
Chris has got a samosa.
Spicy.
Said it's spicy, so I said, add more. I've got a fish cake.
Crab.
A crab cake, thank you. We absolutely hated it.
That's a lie.
That fish cake was so good. And the sauce. It had a little tiny kick to it, but very, very, very tasty. I was probably supposed to squeeze the lemon, but I don't want lemon. How's yours?
I don't know, I got an itchy ear. Yeah, it was good, thank you. There could have been another samosa.
Yeah.
Nice.
Mains have arrived. Chris has got
Jerk chicken.
jerk chicken. Yummy. I've got lamb shank.
James has just told me this meal might defeat him. There's quite a lot there. I ate mine. He's still eating.
I will be defeated.
He's full up. He's got to make room for rum cake, yeah. That's the face of someone who wants dessert.
It defeated me. There was so much meat. We do have YouTube, but yeah, more.
He told me to film it because he's too cool to pick up a camera. Banana cake. Rum cake.
Rum soaked cake. Can we buy Elizabeth?
Oh yeah, we should buy Elizabeth something. $18,000.
This doesn't actually have the price. Do you want a shake?
I don't really like them.
No.
They're not detailed enough for
Well, I'm
being
badly painted.
$60. For 80.
Yeah.
I would never use it. It's a horrible bag. And I've seen someone with it, and I thought at the same point. And that's $100. That's worth. That's more. This is alright.
Maybe I'll get that one.
It's an awful sailing one.
Yeah, I just really like these colours.
There we go. They come in that code.
It's a good.
It's more money.
Oh no.
Oh, it's a cheaper one. No, I don't know what I'd do with it. I don't know what I'd do with
You
it.
see the back of the ship yet? The stitches are fine. Steph, do you want that one? I was expecting this to look better. I guess it's more like that.
What about this bag?
I guess they're both 26 now.
I like this one more.
Yeah. Oh, they've got a big pack. Oh, that's quite cute. And it's quite big.
Some of them do that in that size.
Yeah. I was playing Daisy. It's like playing so sassy. Oh, we got some more. Let's start here and then we'll. I don't think I like that one. Which one of these stairs ones? Not that. Do you like one of the like full length ones? That's nearly a whole package.
And then what's one picture on its own?
$20.
One picture on its own is $20.
So then you'd save.
So then it's $15 each.
So you'd save $50 by getting 10, even if you didn't want 10. So I get you.
Because he started out saying he only wanted one picture. Now we're building.
I'm so full.
Yeah. Dinner was good. That jerk chicken was good. Dessert was good. Banana cake was good.
Actually, no. The start was really good. The main was fine. My main was fine. But I got jealous that someone else had a steak with a Yorkshire pudding, and they looked at it like, "What the hell's that?"
You could have taken it off their plate.
Yeah, I'd have happily had it.
Jerk chicken was not spicy. Well, it was spicy. It wasn't overly spicy.
Good.
It was good.
And the rum cake smelled very rummy rum. But I didn't taste it. It was really good.
Pirates like rum. That must make you a pirate. Do you like treasure?
Yeah.
Wow, you
Shake,
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 a
shake.
pirate.
Shake,
Shake your booty.
Shake your booty.
We're going to try some now. Yeah. Okay.
We've gone to like 10 minutes and we have one man.
It's so busy in here. There's more people trying to turn up. These spaces need to be bigger.
I'll get you for this pan if it's the last thing I do. Alright, number 10. I'll get you for this pan if it's the last thing I do. Who said it? Captain Hook from Peter Pan. Grand total of 40, and now we're going to find out who our winners are. How this is going to work is in a ball automatically to the floor. Alright, if you're ready, pick us up.
It's time to put your hands and hooks together for the most rockin' pirates around.
Disney Treasure! Are you all ready to begin? Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We pillage and plunder, we rifle and loot. Stand up, me hearties, yo ho. Portside, make some noise! A pirate's life for me. Yo ho! This is my crew. A.I.D. Sir Motley. We're beggars and blighters and dare to outcast. Stand up, me hearties, yo ho. She's my captain. She's your captain. She's Captain Ray!
We're not gonna take it. No, we ain't gonna take it. We're not gonna take it anymore. We don't want nothing from you.
We're not gonna take it. No, we ain't gonna take it.
Mix
We just watched the fireworks. It's so awesome. Like they have a live band, a rock band playing Pirates of the Caribbean, and the fireworks going off all the time. You know, it's better than most fireworks that we get in the UK. And this is at sea, so obviously they can't do half as what they do in parks. But yeah, really good. We enjoyed it.
I just loaded up the map to see how far we had to travel. We're in here to here, so we're coming out to sea. Okay, coming back. And that's the ship going on in about 5 weeks' time. So there you go. That's today's route. From here to here, via fireworks at sea here.
It's coming, too. It's coming.
Menu of drinks. All Lion King themed.
All Lion King themed.
Welcome to our game show now. That's your Matey.
Aye. We're here to raise a tot of grog and to choose 3 couples to be a part of our fine crew. Now, raise your grog.
Come on.
Raise him up high.
I know you've got rum.
We know you paid enough for it. Come on, raise that grog. There you go. Now we'll recite the Match Your Matey oath.
I solemnly swear. That me Matey will answer right. And if me Matey fails me. The plank they'll walk tonight. Excellent. I'll be ready to hoist sails and raise anchor.
Just engaged? Well. Would you like to be our first couple on Match Your Matey? You were just engaged. What are your names?
Charlie.
And?
Autumn.
Charlie and Autumn.
Nice booty shaking. Now's your last chance to stand out. Get that booty moving.
Don't mind the smell. Oh, you're not related to them. Thank goodness.
Not a relation.
Now, what are your names?
Michelle.
Michelle and Ruth. Give it up for Michelle and Ruth. All right, just dance, everybody on the right side of the queue. Get up and get out. To the front of you. Right here.
Matey, get out. Time to play Match Your Matey. Get out. Time to play Match Your Matey.
We just watched Match Your Matey. And it was funny. Ha ha ha. Sorry for all the couples that got picked. Okay, we're gonna go to bed now. Good night.
Where the caravan camels roam, where it's flat and immense, and the sun's from the west, and the sand in the glass is bright. Arabian night, more often than not, are hotter than hot. Arabian night, far and on high, out there on the
That was the little.
I mean, they call it the goodnight kiss, or kiss goodnight on the wish. That was cute. Now we're going to bed. See you tomorrow for St. Thomas. St. Thomas.
St. Thomas.
US Virgin Islands. Good night.
Good night. It's our favourite time of the evening. What towel animal have we got? I think it's something from Pirates of the Caribbean.
Barbosa.
It's Barbosa.
I don't know that for a fact.
I don't know that for a fact, but that's